Hello everyone, back with another Adams unboxing video. Today we have a fall mystery bucket. I ordered two of them at the same time, so hopefully we get some good stuff. Right now we're getting ready to do the first bucket, and we have a new one that I haven't had yet, and it's called the Interior Detailer with the Sweet Almond Scent. Next one is Glass Cleaner. The next new one that we have yet to get is Iron Remover. Next one is Slick and Slide. Trying to place them in a good spot so that, they're easily seen, even though this camera angle is very narrow. Next one is Eco All-Purpose Cleaner. Spray Wax. Single Soft Plush Towel. Ultra Plus Drying Towel. Another Single Soft Plush Towel. As well as a few stickers. This is the first time I've ever actually gotten any stickers, and as well as mints. Pretty cool. Never got those before. And here we go with the second mystery bucket. First one is Tire Shine. Next one is All-Purpose Cleaner. Next one, Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Here's a new one for the arsenal. Ultra Foam Shampoo. Another new one for the arsenal. Undercarriage Spray. Another new one, Water Spot Remover. Gray Microfiber Towel. Tough Glass Towel. The last one is a Premium Interior Microfiber Towel. I'm looking forward to using these items. As you can see, there's a lot of the Adams buckets scattered around my shop, on top of my toolbox, previous mystery buckets. Here you will see my graphene line, as well as a lot of the other daily use products. Here's the toolbox that I keep a lot of my towels in, cleaning towels, drying towels. It's just a nice assortment, wash pads. It's just easier to keep them all, easier to get to. And I know where everything is, as well as, my extras drawers. As you can see, I have a lot, as well as quite a few limiteds. Obviously, the SK Micro. And then the next drawer is my limiteds drawer. I have a few more limiteds coming in. I have to make more space for them, but that will be for another video to show. This one is the Pumpkin Spice 2K21 release, as you can see, with all of those in there. And that's about it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.